Hi, this is James Pearson, president of the Computer Center, with today's 2-Minute Tech Tip. Cybercriminals are counting on you, letting your guard down during this global pandemic. Here's how to stop them. The world is slowing down during this COVID-19 pandemic. Wall Street is being hit hard, people are no longer going out, and we're told to quarantine or self-isolate and not engage in groups. You can bet there's one group that's not slowing down at all. In fact, they're probably working overtime while the rest of us have our lives turned upside down. Cybercriminals and hackers know there's no better time to strike than during a global crisis. While you are distracted and spending your time trying to make sense of this new normal, they are finding new ways into your IT network so they can steal data and passwords, compromise your clients' private information, and even demand large ransoms. Cybercrime is already on the rise and is expected to cause $6 trillion in damage by 2021. But if history repeats itself, hackers will be out in full force throughout this coronavirus scare. We fully expect in the upcoming weeks that headlines will change from stories about COVID-19 to accounts of a frenzy of cyber attacks on corporations and small businesses. Here are solutions you can implement now to protect your business data, money, and productivity. 1. Be more suspicious of incoming emails. Avoid clicking links in the email unless it's clear where they go. And you should never download an attachment unless you know who sent it and what it is. Communicate these safeguards to everyone on your team, especially if they are working from home. 2. Ensure your work from home computers are secure. First, make sure your employees are not using their home computers or devices when working. Second, ensure your work at home computers have a firewall that's turned on. Finally, your network and data are not truly secure unless your employees utilize a VPN, virtual private network. If you need help in arranging your new work from home environment, we would be happy to get your entire team set up. 3. Improve your password strategy. During crises like the one we are all facing right now, your passwords could mean the difference between spending your time relearning how to grow your business and trying to recoup finances and private data that's been hacked. Make a point now to reevaluate your passwords and direct your team to create stronger passwords. Also, while it's so convenient to save your passwords in your web browser, it also lessens your security. Because web browsers simply require their own password or PIN to access saved passwords, a skilled hacker can bypass this hurdle. Once they access your saved passwords, they can steal as much as they want: credit card information, customers' private data, and more. Instead, you should consider a password manager like LastPass to keep all your passwords in one place. Password managers feature robust security. You, your team, and your family have enough to concern yourselves with in regards to staying healthy, living a more isolated lifestyle, and keeping your business strong. There's no need to invite in more problems by letting your computer network security slide during these times. If you need additional security advice or would like to have a consultation to discuss how to keep your data safe, simply connect with us today by calling 608-755-1524. For more information about protecting your small business, check out my books by visiting www.computer-center.com/books.